Welcome to another Chilterns National Landscape Access Guide. In this video, we're visiting a location that doesn't just have one accessible walk, it has two. And in this video, we're taking the Viewpoint walk. Dunstable Downs is a National Trust site and has been an important feature in this area since Neolithic times, with the Five Knolls burial site at the base of the Downs being a scheduled monument. This is a favourite attraction for locals and for visitors from further afield because there's just so much to enjoy here. Kite flying, art trails, stunning views, and if you look up, you might spot the gliders soaring overhead from the nearby gliding club. And sharing some of those same thermals, the incredible red kites, which are a real highlight of any visit. When planning a visit, you'll find Dunstable Downs just off the B4541, Whipsonade Road, Dunstable, Bedfordshire, LU6 2GY. The entrance to Dunstable Downs is well signposted, and there are 13 blue badge parking bays. There are 6 on hard standing and 7 on gravel, and it's free to park. But if you are using standard parking, check the website for details before you visit. And by the car park, you'll find accessible toilets, including baby change facilities. The visitor centre is a great place to start because that's where you can get these Tramper all-terrain scooters and a mountain trike all-terrain wheelchair. To book them, you need to ring 01582 500 920 and they're available in 2-hour slots. They also offer sensory bags for neurodiverse visitors and even art supplies for the children, which is a lovely touch. Next door to the visitor centre is this, the cafe, bookshop and National Trust shop, perfect for a coffee and a bit of cake. Also inside, there's another accessible toilet. There are accessible benches outside the cafe, so you can grab a meal or a coffee and enjoy the stunning views without venturing on any further. The initial slope is about 1 in 14, so fairly manageable going down, but something to keep in mind on the return journey. Both of the access walks begin here by the Windcatcher sculpture that captures all this gorgeous fresh air and feeds it back to the visitor centre. For this walk, we're taking the right path, and straight away we're rewarded with an amazing view. Now this route can be a little bit more challenging. The paths are bumpier and there's a few trickier inclines, so it's definitely one where a bit of extra power or an all-terrain setup will make a big difference. And one more thing, if you're afraid of heights, this might not be the walk for you. This route is all about the views, not just of the surrounding towns and countryside, but of the majestic red kites and gliders, both enjoying the thermals that ride from the plateau below. There are benches dotted all along the route, and there's also a lovely flat area of seating that's perfect for a picnic with friends or family. The accessible path continues for a little way further, right up until the hill behind me. After that, it falls away. I think I'm going to say let's stop here because the path also gets quite close to the edge, and I'm quite afraid of heights. So I'm going to say let's go back to the cafe for a calming coffee and cake. Well, I'm back now at the visitor centre, and it gives me time to enjoy my coffee and my cake in peace with these wonderful views. Dunstable Downs is a great family day out, and it's very accessible too. Whether you want to come to the cafe and sit in the warm, come outside, coffee and cake on a bench and look at the lovely views, or take one of the accessible walks, it's perfect and it's a great place to come. And there's loads of events and activities that are regularly held too. So my advice, get yourself to Dunstable Downs as soon as you can.